How to add Clyde on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna show you the ways to add Clyde to Discord. So in that case, you have to first of all open up a browser and log into your Discord account. So type in discord.com and log into your account. When you're logged in, you'll be able to see on the home page something like this. And while you're on this page, what you have to do is go ahead and open up your server. And when you open up a server, tap on the arrow icon next to your server and go to server settings. When you are on the server settings, from the left hand side bar, scroll down a bit and go to interrogation. When you are on the interrogation page here, you should be able to see the Clyde option or the feature. However, the Clyde feature is only accessible to certain number of people and it is only available in certain parts of the world. Likewise, the feature is not available in my reason or in my particular account. But if you see that, you can go ahead and click on the add button and all that, and you'll have successfully added the Clyde on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.